Error 0x80070306, among others, translates to "the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable." When installing KB5074109, Windows Update attempts to read system and update files. If any required file is corrupted, missing, or inaccessible, the installation fails. Here are the solutions for these errors.
First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In second failure, select Restart the services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the SoftwareDistribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the windows and run Windows Update.